This is a very common problem that you can probably fix yourself. Door won't close. There's a bag in the way. Let's remove the bag. We remove the bag. Let's see if it works now. No, it doesn't work. Okay. Let's check the system. I'm going to hold this button down and see if the door. As soon as I remove my hand from the button, the door goes back up again. So let's check the sensors. One sensor has a yellow light that's on. Make sure that it's tight and it's pointed toward the other sensor. Oh, there's no light on the sensor on the other side of the door. Oh, it's loose. So let's make sure that this is pointing directly at the other side. And check the door again. Now that both sensors are aligned and both lights are on, let's check again. Oh, now the door closes.
Narration, go ahead.
Okay, if you have a Genie product, the sensors are going to look like this, and they should have a green light. Do you see the green light?
Yes.
Okay, now that green light shines to the other side of the garage. Come over here. And it will turn on. As we close the door, you can see the light coming. It'll turn the other light. You see the red light?
Mm-hmm.
It'll turn that red light on and let the door close. If the light is flashing, that means that something's wrong with the wire, the sensor, or they're not straight.
Yeah, it's blinking.
Okay, if it's blinking, the door won't close. If it's red, the door should close. Okay, that's it. That's
Okay,
it.
it's solid now.
So when people call me and they say, I can't close my door.
I'm still
I don't want to go there. I just say, look at the video and just make the door light straight. Or sometimes they put something in front. Just move it. And I don't have to waste my time. They don't have to spend their money. And then the one more thing. Two more things. I just want to show what button to push to program.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm still videotaping. Your shoelaces are untied.
Your shoelace. Your left side shoelace. Because you never know, sometimes
Good trip.
step,
I know it's dangerous. Yeah. You can get on this side on the light. Light. Okay.
No, actually, let's go inside. It's darker. It's better. Okay, look. You see? Okay, I'm going to show you how to program the Genie remote control. If it's not working, you probably have a worn out battery. So you can open the cover like this with a screwdriver. And inside here, there's a little round battery. It looks like a dime. And you put it in, and it'll probably work. If the battery is new and still doesn't work, it may have lost its program. So the way you program the Genie is up here. There's a button right here. If you push this button, you're going to see a red light flash. You see the red light flashing? While the light is flashing, then you can push the button. Push it on. Push it on and off 3 times. Sometimes you have to go more. And then that's how you program the Genie. That's it.